In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for an Adobe account. Whether you're looking to take advantage of their creative suite or just need to work with PDFs, creating an Adobe account is your gateway to a host of powerful tools. Let's dive right in and walk through this simple setup process together. To start, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Adobe Sign and hit that Enter key to bring up the search results. You should see a link to the Adobe official site, so go ahead and click on it. Navigating Adobe's site may seem overwhelming at first, but rest assured, it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. When you land on Adobe's page, you'll notice a lot of options are available. What you're looking for here is either free trial or create account. These options are usually prominently displayed for new users. Selecting free trial is an excellent way to explore Adobe's offerings if you're not yet sure about committing, whereas create account is perfect if you've already decided to dive into Adobe's ecosystem. Click on your chosen option and let's move forward. Next, you'll be asked to select a plan you'd like to try. Adobe offers various plans tailored for different needs, whether you're a photographer, a student, or a business professional. Take a little time to browse and select a plan that best fits your requirements. Once you've picked a plan, you'll need to input some payment details. Don't worry, no payment will be charged up front. Adobe offers a free trial period, so you have some time to explore before you decide if it's right for you. Make sure to note the end date of your trial to avoid any charges if you decide not to continue. Now it's time to create a password. Make sure it's something memorable, but secure. Once you've set your password, you'll click on the Complete Account button. Congratulations, you've now got your very own Adobe account. To make the most of your new account, look for Adobe Acrobat in the suite and click on Explore. This tool is a great starter for new users because it offers a variety of functions, like editing text and images, exporting PDFs, combining files, and organizing pages. You can also request e-signatures, which is incredibly helpful for online transactions and communications. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to enjoy all that Adobe has to offer. Feel free to explore and make the most of the tools now at your fingertips. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!